Now students, so we are going to do our workbook problems. So in workbook problems, our topic is first chapter numbers in 2 digits. 2-digit number starts from 10 to 99. 10 to 99. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, all these numbers till 99. All these numbers are 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers. In this chapter, we are going to do 2-digit numbers. 2-digit numbers from 10 to 99. So, in our textbook, we did this chapter. Again, in workbook sums, so we are going to do our workbook sums. Now, first question, place value. The question based on place value. First question and second question. These two questions based on place value. Place value. Here, fill in the boxes. Appropriate tens and ones. Tens and ones. How many tens are there and how many ones are there? That appropriate number we have to keep in the boxes. Here 15. How many tens are there? How many ones are there? We have to keep. So this is in ones place. This is in tens place. 1 tens. 5 ones. 5 ones. In the same way, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 7 tens and 2 ones. 2 ones. And here, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 3 is in tens, 3 tens 30 and 8 ones 8. 30 plus 8, 38. In the same way, ones and tens. 4 tens, 4 ones. 4 tens, 4 ones, 4 tens 40 and 4 ones 4. 40 and 4, 44. 40 and 4, 44. Okay? So in this way we have to fill ones and tens. Ones and tens. Then after that, write the place value of underlined digit. Underlined digit in these boxes A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Total 6 questions, 9 questions are given. In these 9 questions, so these are underlined numbers. These are underlined digits. So these underlined places we have to write the place value of underlined digit. Underlined digit. Then, so what is this here? This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 6 is in tens place. Underlined digit in tens place. Underlined digit is in tens place. In the same way, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 7 is in ones place. Then, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 9 is in tens place. Then this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 5 is in ones place. 5 is in ones place. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 7 is in tens place. 83. 8 is underlined, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Underlined one is ones place. Here this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 7 is in tens place. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 2 is in tens place. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 4 is underlined here. Underline is 1, underline 1 is in ones place. In this way we have to think and we have to write. We have to first note down which one is in ones place and which one is in tens place. If underline 1 is in tens place, write here tens. If underline 1 is ones place, write there ones. So okay. So these are the place values. Place value problems, first and second question based on place value. First and second question based on place value. Next, third, fourth questions is comparison of numbers. Comparison of numbers. In the comparison of number, what numbers will come? Greater than, less than, smaller than, bigger than, ascending order, descending order. All these type of numbers comes under comparison of the numbers. Comparison of numbers. Okay. Now how to compare the numbers? How to compare the numbers here? First write ones place and tens place, ones place and tens place. So now we check from tens place. Here what is in tens place? 9. What is in tens place? 8. 9 and 8. In 9 and 8 we have to check from left to right, from tens place to ones place, tens place to ones place. In tens place 9 is there and in tens place 8 is there. In 9 and 8, 9 is a bigger, so 92 is greater than 80. 92 is greater than 80. This is a symbol, is greater than symbol. This is greater than. This symbol is greater than. This symbol is less than. This symbol is equal to symbol. Equal to symbol. Now, in the second, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. So first check tens place. 8 and 8 is there in tens place. They are equal. So now you check in ones places. 9 and 3. In 9 and 3, 9 is a bigger. So this one is bigger. 89 is bigger than, means greater than. 89 is greater than 83. So here, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. In tens place 4 is there, in tens place 1 is there. 4 and 1, 4 is a bigger. Means 48 is greater than 18. 48 is greater than 18. Now, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, this is ones place, this is in tens place. In ones place, in tens place first, we compare first tens place. 9 and 9, they have equal, same digits, same numbers. In ones place, 8 and 8. In ones place and tens place. In tens place also we have equal, and in n place also we have equal. So that means both the numbers are equal numbers. When we say equal, if they are same, whatever there in tens place and in ones place, if they have equal numbers in ones and tens place, then the numbers are equal. Then the numbers are equal. Next, this is in ones place, this is in tens place, ones place and tens place. In ones place 6 is there, in tens place first we have to check in tens place. Tens place 6 is there and tens place 7 is there, and 6 is smaller, means this is smaller. 69 is smaller, means less than. 69 is less than 70. 69 is less than 70. Now, this is ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. In tens place 5 is there, in tens place 6 is there. 5 is less, 5 is less. 5 is 51 is less than 60. So we have to take according to this. If this is less, keep less symbol. If this is bigger, then keep bigger number. This is bigger, then keep bigger, means greater than. So according to this, we have to take greater than or less than. Okay. Now, this is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. 8 and 6. In between 8 and 6, 8 is a bigger number. 8 is a bigger number. 8 is greater than. 8 is 85. That is 85 is greater than 60. Next, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. In tens place 4 is there. In tens place 8 is there. In 4 and 8, 4 is a smaller, means less than. Like this, we have to compare the numbers and we have to keep the signs. If less than is the less than, then greater than is there, greater than. First you check the first number. If it is greater than the other number, keep greater than. If this is less than the other number, this is less than the second number, then keep less than. If both are equal, then keep equal to sign. Okay. Now this is a comparison. And one more question. The fourth question, comparison of numbers. In the fourth question, each pair for the greater number, so we have to draw circle, and a smaller number we have to draw a box. Greater number, for greater number we have to draw circle. Circle for greater number. Greater number for circle, and smaller number box. Smaller number box. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F. Total 6 questions were given. In these 6 questions, so we have to decide which one is a smaller and which one is a bigger in each pair. Now, first, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Now, first how to compare? First, we start from tens place. Tens place here 7 is there. In tens place here 8 is there. In between 7 and 8, 8 is a bigger. 8 is a bigger. For bigger number, circle. For smaller number, box. For bigger number, so we have to draw circle, and for smaller number, we have to draw box. In the second pair, this is in ones place, this is in tens place. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. Then how to compare? We compare from tens place. 2 and 2. Both are 2 equal. If equal, then again we have to compare, so we go for ones place. So what is there in ones place? 3 is there and 0 is there. In 3 and 0, 3 is a bigger. 3 is a bigger. For bigger number, circle. For smaller number, box. For smaller number, box. Now, in this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Ones place, tens place. Now, how to compare? We start our comparison from tens place, 4 and 6. In 4 and 6, which one is bigger? 6 is a bigger. So, for bigger number, circle. For smaller number, square. For smaller number, square means that is box. For smaller number, box. Then, next pair, 74, 21. Then the first ones place and tens place, ones place and tens place. Then how to compare? So we compare from tens place. 7 and 2. In 7 and 2, 7 is a bigger. So it means 74 is a bigger. There is a circle, and the smaller one is in box. Smaller one is in box. Smaller one is in box. Now, in this is in ones place, this is in tens place, ones place, tens place. Then 78 and 40. How to compare? We compare first tens place, 7 and 4. In between 7 and 4, 7 is a bigger number. 7 is a bigger number. For bigger number, circle. For smaller number, square. For smaller number, box. For smaller number, box. Now, here it is in ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Then how to compare? Then in tens place, 1 and 6. In 1 and 6, 6 is a bigger. For a bigger number, circle. Smaller number, in box. So in this way, we have to compare and we have to write. Okay? These two questions based on comparison, and these two questions based on place value. Okay? Now, numbers in order. So we have to arrange the numbers in order. So these two questions based on in order. So ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means increasing order. Descending order means decreasing order. Ascending order, increasing order means from smaller to bigger. From smaller to bigger. Increasing order. In the increasing order, we have to arrange. Smaller, bigger, 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 bigger. Like this increasing order, we have to arrange. Okay? Now, in the first question, 5 numerals are given. 83, 42, 61, 37, 54. These we have to arrange in ascending order, increasing order. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. 1 and tens places, 1 and tens places. Now in this, how to compare we know. So we start comparison from tens places. Tens place. Here 8, 4, 6, 3, 5. 8, 4, 6, 3, 5. 3 is a smaller. This will come first. That we have to write. 37 first. After 3, 4 will come. This is in second place. 42. 40. After 4, 5 will come. That is 54. After 5, 6 will come. It is in fourth position. That is 61. Then this is in fifth place. 83. 83. In this way we have to compare. We have to compare. In the second question also similar question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are given. So this is ones place, this is tens place. Ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Now you compare. What is there in tens place? How to compare? We start our comparison from tens places. Check in all the numbers what is there in tens place. What is there in tens place? In the first 4 is there, 7, 8, 9, 3. 4, 7, 8, 9, 3. In this 3 is a smaller. This will come first. 39. After 3, 4 will come. This is the second, that is 47. Then after it 7. After 4, 7 will come, that is 74. Then after 7, 8 will come, that is 89. After 89, 98 will come. These are in ascending order. Ascending order. From smaller to bigger. From smaller to bigger. In this is in ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. 5. Total 5 numbers. Total 5 numbers. Compare tens places first. 9, 4, 2, 5, 7. 9, 4, 2, 5, 7. 2 is smaller. This will come first. 24. Then after 2, 4 will come in second place. 43. After 4, in this 5 will come. That is 59. After 5, 7 will come. That is 75. Then after 7, 9 will come. That is 96. In this order we have to arrange in ascending order. Ascending order, increasing order. The next, sixth question. Write the following numbers in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order. Decreasing order means from bigger to smaller. Bigger to smaller. Bigger number we have to take first and then little bit smaller, 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 smallest. In this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers were there. In this 5 number, this is ones place, it is in tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place and tens place. How to compare we know. So we start comparing from tens place. 4, 7, 8, 6, 3. 4, 7, 8, 6, 3. 8 is a bigger. That is 85 first. 85 first. Then little bit smaller is 7. That is, this is 7. 74 second. Then after 74, 7, 6 will come. This is in third place. 69. Then after 6, 4 will come. It is in fourth place. 43. 40. Next, the last 31. This is in fifth place. 31. So these are in descending order, decreasing order. Decreasing means biggest bigger to smaller, bigger to smaller. Next question. So how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is in ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place. Now start comparison. So from where? From tens place. From tens place. 2, 3, 9, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 9, 6, 7. 9 is the bigger. This is in first place. 90. After 9, smaller than this is 7. 70. This is in second place. After 7, 6. This is in third place. 60. Yes, this is in this B, question number B. So 20, 30, 90, 60 and 70. Total how many numbers are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5, this is in ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place, tens place, ones place and tens place. In this, how to compare? So we start comparison from left to right, that is from tens to 1. Tens places 2, 3, 9, 6, 7. In 2, 3, 9, 6, 7, 9 is the biggest one. So 90 will come first. Then after that 7 will come, that is 70. 7 is in second place. After 70, smaller than this is 60. That comes in third place. Then after that 30. 30 will come fourth place. That is in fourth place. Next this 20. 20 will come in fifth place. So these are in descending order. Descending order means decreasing order from bigger to smaller. From bigger to smaller. The last C question is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numerals. 5 numbers are given. This is in ones place, tens place, 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 tens place. Now here, now we have to check which one is bigger. We have to compare from tens place to ones place. First tens place. What is there in tens place? 9, 4, 2, 5, 7. In 9, 4, 2, 5, 7, 9 is a bigger. This we have to take first. 96. After 9, 7 will come. That is 71. This is in second place. Then after 7, then 5 will come. This is in third place. 15, 9. Then after 59, 43 will come. This is in fourth place. Then after 43, 2 will come. 2, 24. That is in fifth place. 24. So in this way we have to arrange descending order and ascending order. These are numbers in order. Numbers in order. Okay.